Hello there, YouTube. This is how to care for a baby chicken. Well, this is my baby chicken. He's a bantam, and it is a rooster. The way you can tell with a bantam if it's going to be a rooster, well, this is one way. If I can get his leg. Okay, he's not participating, but working with me. On their leg when they're a baby, there would be like a dot after like 3 weeks, and that would be where their extra claw would be that they fight with. And when they're older, I would recommend trimming that. You can just saw it off. It might get a little bloody, but that doesn't hurt them. So all you really need is a water, and a food dish. I usually put him in a box overnight and put a little screen over top of him and put him in the bathroom where it's dark. Or you can put him in a dog pen like I'm gonna do when he gets a little bit bigger and can't get out of these holes. Usually you can just feed them chick grower, which is what I'm feeding them. You can use just regular chicken food, and you can rip up newspaper and put that in a box, and he'll get under that and stuff. And on the first week or something, a couple days, you have to teach them how to drink and eat. So you dip their beak into the water for a second, and then they'll drink it. Okay, I'm back with the baby chicken, and all you really need is the ripped up newspaper, a bit undersized box, a water, and a food dish, and your baby chick. That's all.